What do you do, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. Today's video is going to be about TFVPM. So I'm going to show you how to get started with this project, step-by-step tutorial. Okay, guys, link's going to be down in the description. So once you click on that link, it will take you to this page, the register page, okay, where you're going to have to input your email address, password, and then you will receive a confirmation email. So that email will have a verification code. So you click on the verification code and you enter the invitation code if you have one. If you don't have one, not a problem. Okay. So once you do all the checks, okay, you come over here to login. Okay, login is where you're going to enter your account. So let me quickly log in. I'm showing you how to get started. Okay, so once you are in, this is the dashboard. Okay, you come over here to so prior to make a few investments, you gotta set up a few things. Okay, so you click on and you come over here and you click on there, and you will have to add a withdrawal password. So you will have a login password and you will have a withdrawal password. Okay, so you'll have two passwords. Make sure you remember those passwords. Okay, so that's the first step. And then you gotta hit binding. Binding means adding your wallet address in order for you to receive those funds. Okay, so if you want to add a wallet address, you click on plus sign right there and you select one of these. Okay, so I have PRC20. You can select ERC20 or BTC. Okay, and then all you got to do, input your address and you will receive a verification code. So you put the code over here, hit submit, and you are in. Your wallet address will pop up just like mine is popping up right there. Okay, you can delete it at any time. Okay, so how to top up this account is recharge. You come over here to recharge, you select the amount that you want to deposit, you select the currency pair, so TRC20, sorry, not currency pair, the currency, either TRC20 or ERC20, you hit recharge, okay, and then all you got to do is copy this wallet address and send this amount to this wallet address, and that's it. Okay, so once the amount is sent, okay, it will take you up to, I don't know, 60 minutes to land on your account. And then once the funds land in your account, you can see the account balance right here. To withdraw is the same thing. You click on withdraw. All right, so you select the wallet that you want to send the funds. So for example, my case, TRC20, you enter the amount. Bear in mind there is a service charge right here, 0.2%, and you can see the actual amount that you are going to receive. Okay, and you enter the withdrawal password, hit submit, and in a few minutes to an hour or so, the money will land on your wallet. Okay, right. So once you got the funds, you come over here to discovery. Okay, discovery is where you're going to find all those funds, and you can earn from 1.2% every 12 hours up to 336%. Okay, right. So we got two options right here. So you got the fixed terms and we got the compound interests. Okay, so fixed term, as the name says, you know, you will stake for a certain amount of time. Okay, but there is no compounding on the fixed terms. Whereas the compound, like the name says, compounds your interest. So every day you will earn a bit more, and then tomorrow you will compound those earnings and you will calculate the new earnings with those with the capital plus the earnings. Okay, that's why your interest and your capital will grow over time. Okay, over here we can see that we have 6 plans. Okay, so the plan that I've been rolling with lately is the Falcon plan. So let's click on the Falcon plan and we can see all the information about the Falcon plan. We can see the plan period will last for 12 hours and you'll make an estimate of 1.2%. The minimum investment is 20 USDT and we got the management fee of 0.3%. Okay, so if you want to roll with this plan, all you got to do is hit buy. Okay, so you select the amounts that you want to invest. So for example, if you have 1,000, you select 1,000 or whatever the amount you want to select. Remember, the minimum is 40 bucks and you select, you click over here just to confirm that you read. So if you haven't read it, go and read the disclaimer before you make the confirmation. So once you are happy with that, you click on it, you click confirm, and boom, you are in. Obviously, I have none because my plan is already rolling, okay? And essentially, that's how it works in every single plan. So this one is not available at the moment, so you gotta wait for an opening, okay? So if you want to find out more about the plan, all you got to do is click on a plan, and you'll find more information about it. So for example, this one, the minimum purchase is 1,000 bucks. Okay, expected income 10.2%, and it will last for 7 days. So after 7 days, the funds that you invested will be returned to your account balance plus the total earnings, plus the 10% earnings. Okay. Cool. And the same goes to the compound ones. Okay, so you click on this one, and scrolling further down, we can see the minimum investment, how long it's going to last, and the expected net profit. Okay, so everything is the same thing depending on the amount of funds that you are going to invest. Over here, we can see that we have a spinning wheel. Okay, this is a new thing. Okay, so every time this bar hits 100%, you can come over here and enter. Now this is free, okay? And if you land on one of these USDT, you will earn those rewards, okay? So every 2 to 3 hours. And if you want to check your trading history, you come over here, fund order, and you can see that currently I'm on Falcon plan. I've made an investment today, and this investment plan is going to expire at 1709. Okay, after that, all my capital plus rewards will be sent to my account balance. If you click on income details, we can see everything that I've been doing. So as you can see right here, ever since the Falcon plan has been released, I've been rolling with this plan every 12 hours, okay? Because it's 1.2% every 12 hours. So if you do this twice, it's 2.4% daily. Sweet, right? But you got to keep track, because sometimes I forget to come over here and reinvest, right? But you can see the trading history, right? So I've been rolling with this project since the 8th of July 2023. Okay, so tomorrow's gonna be September, so July, August, September. Tomorrow is gonna mark 90 days that this project it's been live, or I've been rolling with this project, and so far so good, right? It's doing this thing, so I'm happy with it. So I made a withdrawal over here just to test it out. It worked. Okay, so I ended up being with 157, and then from there, I just been compounding and compounding and compounding, and now I have 249. Okay, so essentially, that's just how it works, guys. Very, very simple project. Okay, over here is where you can find the customer support, right? TG channel. You can find more information about the project. They also have a few tutorial videos explaining some stuff about the protocol, and over here you can find more information about the project, etc. Okay, guys, always do your own research. This is just a quick tutorial to show you how to get started. That being said, guys, all the links going to be in the description. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.